Alright, I'm coming back at you now. By request, I've been asked to do a video on the Glock 30 Gen 4 being shot. So I've set up Mr. Bluehead there and 2 Diet Coke bottles there filled with Mentos. So they should make an interesting little thing once I shoot them. We'll see what happens, but I'm going to drop a few rounds through here and let y'all see what she can do. For verification, gun is empty. Magazines are in my pocket, ready to go. Got my ears on. Let's have some fun. We got a little explosion, but that was kind of anticlimactic. I think I'm just going to bounce the head around for a little bit. Hope you all can see this okay in camera. Well, my shot's a little off today. Hope this guy is still taping here. And my phone's ringing now. How about that? Sorry about that, folks. Now I've got a Glock 21 13 round mag I'm going to drop in here and let you take a look. Range I've been shooting at here has been, probably 15-20 yards. I know it don't look like that on camera, but anyway, I'm going to take a few more shots here at the Bluehead, maybe shoot the Coke bottles a little more and see what we can do. I've never shot on camera before, so guess that's why my aim's a little off, but as you can probably see, the Bluehead's been hit quite a few times. I will admit I did hit the dirt a few times, but we all have a bad day here and there. So without further ado, and I'm going to quit talking to you and get her going. Oh, there you have it. She is empty. I'm going to go grab that head and show you what she looks like. Alright. As you can see here, I got him a few times here, head, bounced him around a little bit down there. Bottom line, I think he's dead. Anyway, that is the Glock 30 Gen 4, my personal carry weapon. Definitely recommend it to anybody looking for a good weapon. I will say this, it is a big gun to carry, but as long as you work on your carry methods, you should be okay with it. Me personally, I've started using a belly band with it just because the inside the waistband holster doesn't work too well with me, but I'm also, like I said in a previous video, 6 foot, 155 pounds. But, tell you what, it conceals great, shoots great, great weapon. Thanks for watching. And remember, if you like it, hit like. If you don't, hit dislike. But if you dislike it, shoot me a message. Let me know why. Only my 3rd video, so help me improve. Have a good one.